Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can sign up on your Twitter account. So if you think this video is going to be informational for you, feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open any browser you want and simply go ahead and search for Twitter on the top of the browser, as I'm doing, as you can see. And once you have searched for Twitter, you want to go ahead and click on the first link, which is going to be www.twitter.com. as you can see, just click on it, and then you're going to be taken into this page where you want to go ahead and click on this sign up button right over here. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and enter your name and then go ahead and enter your phone number, or you can simply click on use email instead and enter your email. Finally, once you have entered your email, you want to simply go ahead and enter your date of birth right over here. Go ahead and choose your month, go ahead and choose your day, go ahead and choose the year you were born in. And once you have done that, just click on next, and then finally click on next one more time, and then finally click on sign up. And now a verification code will be sent to that email that you just provided. So simply go to gmail.com and simply go ahead and open that email. And as you can see, a verification code will be sent to your email. So go ahead and copy this verification code and simply enter it right over here and click on next. Once you have done that, it will say you'll need a password, and make sure it's 8 characters or more. So simply go ahead and make a password on your account and then simply click on next. And finally, you are successfully signed up onto your Twitter account. You can go ahead and pick a profile. I'm just gonna skip everything for now. But there you go, that's how you simply go ahead and sign up onto your Twitter account. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.